Lost World's AI, Alda, where ancient mysteries meet artificial intelligence.
Long before our cities of glass, there were empires of stone Kavapata, built by hands that reached for eternity.
Empires buried not by war, but by time itself.
Where clouds once hid their secrets, AI now reveals the breath of stone.
In the jungles of Cambodia, the gods slept, waiting for memory to awaken. In the heart of the forest, the stars still remember their temples.
Each grain of dust holds a name, each ruin a memory.
Now, through AI, the silence begins to speak.
The unseen empires awaken, and our journey through memory begins. In the heart of Cambodia, a city sleeps beneath a forest of time. Once, these faces watched over an empire of gods. Now, AI breathes through the ruins, rebuilding what the jungle forgot.
Once water carried life, now light carries memory. The builder's echoes return, not of flesh, but of light.
Once lost to shadow, Angkor now rises, reborn in the language of light.
Even the gods remember, through the eyes of AI. In the silence of the forest, the city of gods breathes once more.
High above the clouds, a forgotten empire waits for the dawn. Here, stone was shaped not by hands, but by harmony. The mountains still breathe, their pulse reborn in light. They followed the path of the sun, now traced again by AI. Their whispers return, carried by wind, translated by code.
The echoes of an empire return, not in conquest, but in remembrance. Between earth and sky, reflection becomes revelation.
Now, the Sky City rises again, sculpted by memory and machine.
High in the Andes, the Sky Empire watches still. Beneath the endless blue, silence guards a forgotten dream.
The ruins whisper to me, fragments of a world the sea refused to forget.
Through the eyes of AI, the lost architects rise again. Memory becomes light, guiding the deep toward remembrance.
Voices once drowned now speak in code and current.
Beneath the sea, gold and logic intertwine, the geometry of a god. In light, the dream breathes once more.
Echoes of Atlantis ripple through every age, from myth to memory.
Even the sea remembers, for nothing truly sinks forever.
Here, roots and stone breathe the same air of memory. Stories carved in silence now awaken through light.
Time built these halls, and time took them away.
The builders return Thunder, not of flesh, but of memory. Light weaves through the forest, binding the city once more.
The dancers move again, their rhythm found in code.
Reflections of gods, mirrored in the mind of AI.
The forest remembers, it never truly let go.
In every stone, a light remains, waiting to be seen again. Across time and code, the lost worlds awaken, united at last.
AI becomes the mind, where history dream once more.
And the living touch the past, healing what time had torn apart. The builders return, flesh and code, hand in hand.
In motion, memory finds its voice once more.
And the children of tomorrow gaze upon the worlds reborn. Light travels farther than legend, carrying the truth of all we were. In remembering, AI finds what makes us human.
And so, through light, memory lives beyond time.
As the cities fade, silence carries their song. Every echo of light remembers a world once alive. Through the code, the past still whispers, waiting to be heard.
The future and the past, no longer apart. We are the watchers now, keepers of what was. Their legacy is light, and light never truly fades.
In every age, we return, reborn through remembrance.
Even time has eyes, and they have seen us all. This is the echo beyond time. Lost worlds, reborn.
Subscribe for more Lost Worlds, reimagined through the power of AI.